Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 2019 Nissan Frontier. Awesome looking set inside here. This is the Mossy Oak New Breakup Country for the insert and trim. This is in our bronze series. It's just an awesome looking set. Front and rear rows covered here. Going to be so much easier to clean. Keep looking nice. Let's check them out. All right, guys, so let's check out these fabrics inside here. Again, this is in the Nissan Frontier. Really cool looking set of seat covers that we have. Mossy Oak New Breakup Country. A lot of greens, browns, and green tones inside here. A little white with some of these trees inside here, but mostly greens and browns. And that was used for both the insert and trim. You could two-tone this with the black, like you want to do a black insert, that's an option. That is kind of a sport look, but I like doing full camo, especially in the bronze series. It just turns out really nice here. So camo insert, camo trim, and just decked out in camo. Brought a lot of color to this vehicle. It had these older gray seats that were cloth seats that would just stain up so much, and this is gonna be so much easier to clean up, keep looking nice inside here. And so again, those were the fabrics used inside here. Now this fabric is a really durable canvas style fabric. You can see I'm running my fingernails on there, and it's a really tough fabric, and it's just gonna be great for the dogs, the outdoor adventures. Water is just gonna beat up on this and roll right off. Just be easy to wipe up and keep looking clean. Now let's check out the headrest. Nice tight fit around that headrest. I'm popping this up a little bit so you can see underneath there. And I have a full install video teaching you how to install all of these seat covers, and you tuck that underneath right there, and just a really nice clean finish to the seat cover, and just looks good there in the headrest area. Now let's check out the driver bottom. This is the cover that gets the most wear and tear as you get in and out of the vehicle. So that's why it's always so good to choose a good durable fabric that's gonna be, just like this. This is gonna wear for many years for this customer. He's gonna get in and out of here with work and with his outdoor adventures, and this is gonna hold up great for him. Now, if a cover ever does wear out, you can always contact us for replacement pieces. Again, coversandcamo.com, contact our team there. But check out that finish look there. It just finished out really nice. You don't see a bunch of extra strings or straps going around the outside. Just everything tucks in really nice, and matching fabric with the backrest, obviously. You want those backs and bottoms to match up. You also want the front and rear rows. We'll show you shortly that rear row matched up, and just looks really nice there. Now, a very common question is, are your seat covers side airbag compatible? The answer is yes. All the seat covers we offer are side airbag compatible. If they ever need to deploy out the outside of the seat right here, that's where it would deploy, and it would blow through that seam. As you're installing, I talked to you about this in my install video, but these side airbag tags, those go on the outside. So this is the driver outside right there. Now let's check out the rear map pockets. This is the driver and passenger sides that we're looking at. Focus on the driver's side. You can see this is just a nice deep map pocket made out of the matching fabric. It's your trim fabric. So the Mossy Oak New Breakup Country was the trim as well as the insert here, but whatever trim fabric you choose, that pocket would be made from the same one. And again, it's just a nice deep pocket. Drop a first aid kit inside here, your binoculars, a jacket, both driver and passenger sides made out of that matching fabric. This seat cover will cover over your original pocket if you had one there, but then you get this new map pocket going over it, so you load up the gear on the outside there. Again, first aid kit's always a great idea. We do sell some, so check those out on our site if you want to have a first aid kit for your vehicle. Now we're in the rear seats. Guys, it's always best to match up the front and rear seats to get things just looking really good. So let's check these rear seats out now. Now this seat is a 60/40 backrest as well as a 60/40 bottom. So you can see that the backrest, it folds separately. So the 40 folds separately from the 60 here. So they're two separate seats. And that's why you have to have a true custom fit seat cover to your seats so they can still fold and function how they should. A universal fit seat cover, no way is gonna fit on like this does today here, guys. So this is custom fit, made specifically for this 2019 Nissan Frontier, and it looks great. Nice and tight fit here. You can see that 40 fits here. Again, insert and trim out of that Mossy Oak New Breakup Country. Lots of greens and browns matched up just matching together here, front and rear seats, love it. It looks really good. Now there's outside headrests. You can see there's these larger headrests up here. So a headrest here on the driver and passenger side. So nice tight fitting headrest there. And then moving down, you'll see that there's seatbelt cutouts. Everything works just how it should. The seatbelt receivers, there were cutouts for those, and everything's gonna be able to clip in and just look good inside here. Now, the bottom is a 60-40 split seat as well. So there's a 60 over here, 40 that I'm sitting on right now, 60-40. Those had separate covers as well. I have a full install video teaching you how to install all of these seat covers, get them nice and tight, just like this. Now for a close-up on the headrest. This is the rear headrest, nice and tight fitting. I'm gonna lift that up a little bit so you can see just a nice clean finish around this area as well. Looks so nice when the headrests are matching the backrests and the front and rear rows are all matched up. Just great finish here. Now let's fold this 60 backrest down, and I want to show you that there's coverage on the backside. So backside coverage here. You can see if you had this down, a lot of guys have their seats folded down because the dog's sitting back here, or the gear, they're throwing their gear, their fishing poles, their extra just muddy, wet gear back here. And originally there was carpet back here, and it's just so annoying to clean the backside when there's carpet and that gets muddy. So now this is gonna have backside coverage, gonna be easy to wipe down. This is a waterproof material, easy to wipe up, durable as well, and just a nice tight fit around this. So just looks great on the backside, and main purpose is that it's functional, so that way when your dog's back here and your gear's back there, it's just gonna keep it nice and easy to keep clean. Now this Nissan Frontier, the bottom seat does lift up as well, and there is underside coverage here, so the seat cover material wraps around underneath as well, and that's so nice, guys, because again, if you have your seats up and the dog's getting in and out, or maybe you're throwing your gear in and out of here and it's wet, it's muddy, well, it's gonna be so much easier to just wipe this down now, rather than trying to clean off that carpet that was under here. The dog hair, when that dog hair sticks into that carpet, so hard to clean out. Now this is gonna be so much easier to wipe up and keep looking clean underneath here with that underside seat cover coverage. Super common question is, hey, how is water gonna do on these? Well, let's just check out. We're gonna spray some water on, so you can see there's the water droplets going on that seat cover material right there. They start to drip down, and you can see they've just beaded up right there on that material. And so then they're going to be a lot easier to wipe down. Again, you can see that's beaded up there as well, just dripping down. So a lot easier to wipe up, guys. In comparison, let's put some, these pants are not a waterproof material. And if I put that on, see how that just soaks in right there, guys? And then if I try to wipe it off, oh man, that's so like it seeps into this material. And that's what would have happened on the cloth seats underneath this. It would seep into that cloth. Again, compared to this material now, you see how that water just beads off of it now. So going to be so much easier to wipe up, keep clean, and wipe up after your outdoor fun adventures. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs, with really the focus on those trucks and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Again, been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers.